Hello everyone, it's me Khurram for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how to make the face mask at home to remove the oiliness from the skin. And guys, one more important thing, I wanna let you know we are going to make this face mask by using some fruits. So guys, now we are going to start our video, and here I would divide my video in a 3 portion. The first portion, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, and the second portion, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and the last and the third portion where I will let you know about the procedure, how to make it and how to apply on your skin. So guys, now we are going to start our video, and now I'm going to let you know some benefits of the ingredients. Bananas are not just essential for the morning energy kicks, but also gives you a healthy skin. The fruit contains vitamins A, B, E and the potassium. Mixed with some lemon and the honey, bananas can also prevent acne by controlling natural oil secretion of your skin. These were some benefits of the ingredients what I have shared with you. Now we are going to our second part of the video where I will let you know the ingredients and the quantity. So guys, for this mask we have needed only 3 ingredients. Number 1, we have needed the banana. Number 2, we have needed the honey, and number 3, we have needed the lemon juice. So guys, now we are talking about the quantity. So for our first ingredients, banana, we have needed only 1 in quantity, and our second ingredients, honey, we have needed 1 tablespoon, and our third ingredients, lemon juice, we have needed 1 tablespoon as well. So guys, these were the ingredients with the quantity. Now we are going to our third part of the video where I will let you know the procedure, how to make it and how to apply on your skin. This is 2-step method, and the step 1 is mix honey and the lemon juice in a mashed banana. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this step 1. Number 1, take a ripe banana and mash it thoroughly using a fork. Number 2, add 1 each of lemon juice and the honey. Number 3, using a hand blender, mix the 3 to form a consistent paste. So guys, that was our step 1. Now we are going to our step 2, and our step 2 is apply the banana mask. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this step 2. Number 1, apply the banana face pack all over your face and neck. Number 2, leave it for 15 minutes before rinsing it off with the cool water. Number 3, follow it with the moisturizer. That was the simple and the easiest way to make this face mask at your home to get rid of this oiliness from the skin by using banana. So guys, that was the video for today. Next time I will come with some interesting and the useful solution. Till that time, take care.